Okay, so welcome to Filmy Mantra.
Thank you.
You all are looking great.
Thank
Oh,
you.
thank you so much.
Yeah, so as we know, Valentine's week is going on. People
Yeah.
are celebrating. So, what is your take on love?
My take on love.
Yeah.
I think love is the most essential need of a human being. I don't think there's anything beyond love. Love is the only feeling that makes you give 100%, and to anyone. If you love anyone, you give without expecting anything in return, and that's the beauty of love. So, and only love can make you do that. You know, try it. Only and only love can make you do that. So love is the most powerful phenomenon on this planet. I think we all exist because of love. So, yeah.
And James,
Love.
what do you want to say?
Love is the best thing. Look, we make music about love. We make films about love. The whole film industry, I think, started with a love story. You know,
Yeah.
everything we do in life is for love. And if you look at all of the actions you take in your own personal life, in some way you're searching for love. You're trying to find love. So when you find it, you are the luckiest person in the world, and you should do everything to hold on to that love.
Okay, so this Valentine, what are your plans? What are you going to do?
Oh, well, I have a plan, but it's a secret plan. So if I tell you now, then it won't be a surprise.
Okay, so earlier how you used to do? Means इनसे मिलने से पहले आप किस तरह से सेलिब्रेट करते थे?
ये कभी ज़्यादा कुछ किया नहीं honestly Valentine's Day पे. I've never had a partner who's been so romantic ever before. So, I in fact used to celebrate Valentine's Day with my friends. You know, because Valentine's Day is whoever you love, and I love my friends. So I used to go with my best friends to to a nice hotel, and we used to have a nice buffet dinner. Because I love buffets, the way they decorate on the Valentine's Day, it's just there's something so special about it. They make it so decorative and beautiful. So yeah, and I love red color. So on Valentine's Day especially, you'll see splatter of red everywhere. So yeah, I used to go with my friends. But now I have him, and he takes me out on the most beautiful romantic dates.
Okay,
I try.
so how difficult it is, इनको समझाना प्यार की भाषा या कभी ऐसा हुआ है?
I think प्यार किसी को समझाने के लिए भाषा की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है. वो प्यार की खूबी है कि if you love, it shows. You don't have to say any particular word to show it. But obviously you know the words and nothing like it. But if you don't know it, even if you don't know it, if you feel it, it will show. You can't hide it in any way.
Okay, so James, you tell us 5 things about Shama, what you like the most.
Oh, 5 things that I like the most.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can try it. I'm sure you can do good.
No, I could probably give you a lot
Yeah,
more than
try.
5.
Yeah.
The number one thing that I love about Shama is she has an absolutely, completely positive, pure heart. She's one of the most positive people I've ever met in my life. And she spreads that positivity everywhere. You see? Actually, I think we need like 5 or 6 more.
No.
She's really positive. She's just very full of love, and she shows it. So I like that she has it. 2, I like that she shows it. 3, I like that she's gorgeous. 4, I love that she's a family person. The way she loves and takes care of her family is just beyond compare, I think.
That's amazing.
And then 5, I love that she's a total girl. Seriously. I love that she wears dresses and puts on high heels, all that stuff.
That's amazing. And Shama, now you tell us 5 things about James.
James is a very, very compassionate guy. I've never seen so much compassion in a man before. Honestly, I'm not even kidding. Even if I was not dating him, I would have said the same thing to him. He has compassion for everyone. I always wanted a partner who not only respect me, but respect every other human being, and he does that. That's a great quality to have in a guy. Another thing is very non-complicated. There is no air on his head. I mean, although he thinks a lot, but he doesn't let it affect his persona in any way. And nowadays you see a lot of people, a lot of guys, totally, completely confused in their mind. God knows what they're doing. They have no idea what they want. They have no idea where they want to go, what they want to do. So he is that way really clear, and that really helps me because when you're clear, then you know. Then I know what to give him and what to receive from him. Third, that he's very helpful. He helps me in everything that I do. Everything. Like he supports me, he stands by me. He helps me even if he's hurt. He still would ask me, maybe can I do something for you? And I think that's a fabulous quality to have in a man because most of the times men forget that they need to help their women. You know, women are not the one to do all the cleaning and everything in the world. They need help as well. They need appreciation. So he does that very nicely. And fourth, that he's very romantic. He makes plans. He surprises me. He does small little things for me that matters for me a lot. And he puts in a lot of thought in it. It's not just ke like acha kuch karna hai to kar diya. He really puts in a thought. He'll think about what I like or what I don't like. If he's confused, then he'll indirectly ask me, you know, without letting me know that that he's going to get me something. So that's a great quality about him. And the fifth one is that he's very caring. He's a very, very caring person. So yeah, I think these are really great qualities to have in a man.
Oh, thank you. That's so sweet.
Okay, so Shama, can you tell us how he proposed to you?
Yeah, actually, we were in a pool. We were swimming.
That was
Yeah.
Which proposal?
Which proposal? So he asked me to be his girlfriend first. We were in a pool and we were swimming, and suddenly while swimming, and he just looks at me. Can I ask you something? I said, yeah. He goes, will you be my girlfriend? He was that simple, and I just love the simplicity of him. Because normally in India we don't have a concept of asking girls that will you be my girlfriend.
Yeah.
If you are going for a date or whatever, you are considered girlfriend boyfriend. So that was very unique for me. I thought, oh, people propose you only for marriage. I didn't know they proposed you to be their girlfriend.
But why I did it? Because in any relationship you must be clear where you stand in that relationship.
Yeah.
And had I not asked that question, God knows what would have happened,
Yeah.
where it would have went,
Yeah.
all the confusion that could have been caused.
Yeah.
At least when you ask, you're clear, you know?
Yeah. So,
you know?
so that's another great quality about him, that he's very clear and he asks things clearly. That helps the other person to sort of, solve the problem. So then he asked me, and that was so simple and so random and so nice. And I was like, yeah. And he said, oh, thank you so much. I'm so happy today. And he was like jumping in the pool and everything. He's like, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. And then when he proposed me for marriage, I think everybody's read about it, how he did that. He took me to one of my most favorite restaurants, Al Mahara.
Al Mahara.
Al Mahara in Burj Al Arab. And he booked, the table right next to the aquarium. And we sat there and we were having a nice dinner and everything. And then suddenly, he puts the ring out, and I just looked. He gave me a card first, a small card, and he wrote a beautiful poetry in it, and somehow, it was so rhyming well with each other. And he says, "Will you be my wife?" And I was like, "What?" I was shocked. I was sensing it, but still, the shock of actually somebody doing it for you. I was so emotional that I was crying, and I was like, no. And he goes, "Is that a no? Is that a no?"
And then
I
it
was
turned like this, like that.
So I just love the non-complicated simplicity that he had. He didn't do any drama. He didn't do anything. He just made a simple proposal to me that came from his heart and his being, and I knew it, and I just couldn't say no. I was blown away by the simplicity of his nature. It's just so nice. But I see so many human beings that complicate life so much. It's just really very easy. It just has to be done in the most simplest, the most easiest way.
Yes.
Okay, so
Yeah.
today if you get a chance to, dedicate one romantic song from Bollywood to him, which song it
From
would be?
Bollywood.
From Bollywood.
I love it's my all-time favorite. हमें तुमसे प्यार कितना from Mehbooba.
Yeah.
I just love that song. And I'm not going to sing it because I'm a bad singer. But it says हमें तुमसे प्यार कितना ये हम नहीं जानते मगर जी नहीं सकते तुम्हारे बिना. I don't know how much love I have for you in my heart, but I can't live without you.
But you can live.
Yeah.
Good. I feel the same way.
Okay, so any memories like your best moments which you had with Shama, you want to share? Anything moment, like funniest moment?
Oh, we're funny. We're very funny together. You have no idea.
We have so many funny moments and romantic moments, and
Yeah.
Yeah.
we have. I suppose we have a lot of moments.
Where are you?
No, honestly, the thing that I cherish most is just a simple evening. Because there's nothing better than coming and meeting somebody who is your partner, your lover, and enjoying the simplicity of that moment that could happen any day.
Yeah. Yeah. I think
Any
we both
day.
enjoy simplicity, so that just makes our life easy. We just like to just sit with each other, have coffee, have dinner, talk to each other. We like to just share everything, whatever is going on in our mind, in our
So-
complex mind, in our darkest frame of mind. We just like to just share it, communicate it.
So I'll give you one, since you asked. I know you want specifics,
Yeah.
so let me tell you one. There was one day, not long after we started dating, that we spent a long time. We spent hours once sitting outside on a terrace, and I think we must have talked that night for 3 or 4 hours, just about everything, dreams in life, how we've come to where we've come, where we want to go. What do we think about spirituality? What do we think about religion? What do we think about, like, everything? We spoke about everything that night for like 3 or 4 hours, just looking up at the stars and all of the lights. That moment was really special, I think, because in that moment, I think we really connected and realized there's something very deep going on here. Yeah.
Okay, so how it takes to impress Shama? How long it takes for you to impress her? Yeah.
I mean, I put as much thought as I can into anything that I do for her. Sometimes that takes a long time. Sometimes it doesn't take very long at all. It depends on what's happening. But
Yeah, I think it all depends. It all depends on my mood. If I'm easy, I'm impressed. If I'm not, then I'm not impressed at
yeah,
all.
actually.
Okay, so last, Valentine's wishes to your fans.
Hi guys, this is Shama Sikandar.
James Milliron.
We wish you a very, very, very happy Valentine's Day. May your life and each moment of your life be filled with love and joy and positivity.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Tips and updates, do subscribe to our channel Filmy Mantra. Till then, stay tuned.